Good morning children. Social Science, 5th grade, chapter 14, Coming of the Britishers. Yes children, we learned few things about coming of Britishers in the last chapter. That is, how they defeated the French people, how they defeated the Battle of Plassey with Aurangzeb and his followers, and how they defeated the Nawab of Bengal, and in the Battle of Buxar. Apart from that, they introduced two policies, that is doctrine of lapse and subsidiary alliance. Now let us come and learn about revolt in 1857. When Britishers imposed doctrine of lapse and subsidiary alliance, many Indian rulers were not happy because it was against the things we did in all these years. It was, we can say, you cannot adopt the child, you cannot own your own soldiers, you have to take British army for fighting and all this. This made the Indian rulers to become angry. So they revolted in 1857. It was in Delhi. Few Indians joined the British army during the British rule, but Britishers treated, or their higher authorities, that is British superiors, treated the Indian soldiers very badly. So they threw them out, the Indian soldiers. So this is one of the reason for revolt of 1857. Few emperors made Bahadur Shah Zafar as Delhi emperor, and they made him to rule for few years in Delhi. But this 1857 is called as the first Indian War of Independence in the history books. Right children? It created a history. But because the Indians revolted, they could not succeed in that revolt because there wasn't a proper leadership and there wasn't a proper planning. Because of this, because of other few things also, this revolt could not turn into a proper result. So then it was Britishers who withdrew the East India Company, and they made Queen Victoria, and she became the Empress. It was directly under the control of Queen Victoria from Britain. So this is all about the revolt in 1857. Apart from that, Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai fought against the Britishers, and she was killed, and Nana Sahib was acquisitioned. Then after that, they sent Britishers sent Bahadur Shah Zafar to Burma. On the way he dies, and Britishers kill two of his sons, that is Bahadur Shah Zafar's sons they kill. Then Indian people realize that the Britishers are not in favor of Indians. They are looking for their own interest, that is the wealth of India. They were looting the wealth of India. So Indians realized that they are not in favor of Indians. These all are the reasons that led to the formation of Indian National Congress. Yes children, Indian National Congress formed in 1885 by Alan Doctarian Hume and Dada Saheb Nauroji. Before that, there were few religious practices, that is child marriage, Sati Sahagam. These all are the social reformers which are to be wanted to be reformed in India. So for many reasons, for social as well as political reasons, this Indian National Congress was formed in 1885. It was led by formed in 1885. It is the early years they came to know that there should be an struggle against the Britishers, where they have to struggle. So this is later part, when we got independence, it was turned to be a political party. So this is all about the Britishers, coming of the Britishers, children. And Britishers, they never favored Indians. They saw their own interest. So this is the revolt of 1850. In this class we learned revolt of 1857 and the formation of a new Indian National Congress. So this is all about coming of British. Thank you, children.